Hi, I'm Hillary Wynn, Custom Content Manager for Meister Media Worldwide, the publisher of Crop Life magazine. I'd like to welcome Jessica Link, agronomist at the Andersons. Jessica is going to answer some questions about how to revolutionize plant nutrition through aerial applications. But first, a little bit about Jessica. She has been with the Andersons for 6 years, where she helps with research and development on new product concepts and tests them in the field to ensure they have a positive impact on crop performance and growth. Jessica, welcome.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. Thank you.
Can you tell our audience what differentiates aerial fertilizer applications for drone, helicopter, or airplane from traditional ground applications?
Yeah, absolutely. So, first, when it comes to aerial applications, there are a few additional considerations compared to a traditional ground rig that we had to keep in mind when we were thinking about developing a lineup for aerial application. One being low use rate. When it comes to aerial application, we have a limited amount of space in the tank and a limited amount of weight that can go across the field, making low use rates a very key part of efficiency. Another part of aerial application is utilizing it for reaching fields that we might not traditionally be able to get to. If the field is wet, if it's odd shaped, those are things that we wanted to keep in mind so we can continue to apply products and fertilizer based on the optimum growth stage and deliver that nutrition specifically when the crop needs it.
How are aerial application fertilizers specifically designed to achieve low use rates, and what advantages does this bring to growers?
Yeah, so like you mentioned, low use rates are a really key part of this equation. So when we were developing these products, we wanted to tailor these products for efficient nutrient delivery. So making sure that everything was optimized in uh, and in forms that the crop can utilize, and also keeping these in a lot more concentrated form and really focusing and keeping that tailored approach on what the crop really needs. We also wanted to think about ways that we can make these products very tank mix friendly with other crop protection products. We wanted to make sure that we were improving our overall operational efficiency, which ultimately will save growers money, which is obviously the biggest goal.
The Andersons has recently introduced a new aerial application product line into its portfolio. Can you tell me more about the products in this line?
Yeah, so thank you very much for asking. But the aerial application lineup that we have developed obviously kept these questions that we talked about in the forefront of our mind when we were developing it. So, with answering those questions, we developed two new products to introduce to the market. One being Aero Blitz, and then the second one being Aero Mino. So, each of these products were specifically designed to address those concerns of aerial application specifically, whether it is with a drone or an airplane or a helicopter, and optimizing those low use rates, but we ultimately didn't want to sacrifice performance either. So when we developed Aero Blitz, for one, that is a micronutrient blend, and that is designed to mitigate any of the mid-season stresses that can impact a crop. And ultimately, we want that to increase our overall yield at harvest. We also have Aeromino, so that one was designed to provide the crop a little boost of energy while also leveraging amino acids. So with that product, we wanted to apply that specifically at stressful growth stages to improve our overall crop growth and development.
What challenges have you seen in aerial applications via drones, helicopters, or airplanes, and how does your product line address them?
Yeah, so if you look at a lot of other products in the marketplace, they weren't designed with aerial application in mind. So, meaning they have higher use rates or just an overall lack of user friendliness at the field. So, when we developed the aero lineup of products, we specifically addressed these concerns. So, making sure that they were tank mix friendly, keeping that low use rate in mind, so we keep the operators happy. Um, Also, we wanted to make sure that these products utilized any value add-ons, such as amino acids or sugars, to increase our overall performance even more.
Is there anything else our audience should know?
So, if anybody has any questions or would like any more information about the Arrow lineup of products, we are happy to answer them and have a conversation. You can reach out at andersonsplantnutrient.com for more info. Or if you have a contact with anybody at the Andersons, territory manager or agronomist, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to continue the conversation.
Jessica, thanks again for taking the time to discuss how aerial applications can revolutionize plant nutrition.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.